Control rebranded as love. Let's talk about it. Control rarely introduces itself as abuse. It introduces itself as care. We're protecting you. We know what's best. This is for your own good. Restrictions on autonomy, restrictions on education, restrictions on financial independence, restrictions on who you can become. Over time, autonomy feels selfish. So when a partner later becomes possessive or controlling, it doesn't immediately feel wrong. It feels familiar. And psychologically, the brain prefers familiar, even when it hurts.